What's the meaning of buskin? Buskin. Buskin.
Buskin. Buskin. A buskin is a type of ancient Greek or Roman boot that reached halfway up the calf and was designed for outdoor activities such as hunting, military campaigns, and theatrical performances. The term buskin can also refer to a particular style of dramatic writing characterized by elevated language and tragic themes. In contemporary usage, the term buskin is rarely used and is more likely to be encountered in academic or historical discussions related to classical literature or theater.